What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Disney's Hollywood Studios, and of course we're going to check out Star Wars Galaxy's Edge and see how Toy Story Land is doing, since it's been a little bit since it opened up. Before we head inside the park, I wanted to show you some footage as we are driving in, and of course of the new Disney Skyliner. Let's go take a look. Alright, so after that short little car ride, we are now right here at the entrance for the Disney Skyliner. We can see some concept art right here showing off how the station will look. And speaking of which, it looks like it's nearing completion. But yeah, we can see there, station, the different capsules right here, themed, some of the concept art, and the route they're planning on taking. So you can see Epcot on there, Disney's Riviera Resort, Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, Disney's Hollywood Studios, and Disney's Pop Century Resort with Disney's Art of Animation Resort as well. Looks really neat. Let's show around just a little bit. The Disney Skyliner extends way off in the distance over there, but we can see one of the towers up close right here. And it's near the station. And again, the station is looking really good. And let's go get a closer view of it. Pretty much mechanically, these are all set. All we need is just the cable to be run through all those little spindles.
Es más, dijiste que ya no lo ibas a ver porque te cansa mucho. That's gonna be
Here on the side of the station, we can see a bunch of the footings with the rebar sticking out. And I'm thinking this might be for some decorative covering. I don't know, we'll see. We still have the barriers in the water here, keeping out all the sediment. It's doing its job right now. Another view here, a little bit closer towards the entrance for Disney's Hollywood Studios, and we can see a big concrete form right there, right on the back side of the station. Looks like we have a ramp on the side right here. Not sure if that's going to be the handicap entrance or what, but definitely a ramp. Well, that's going to do it for our look at the Skyliner. Let's now head inside the park and check out all the progress for Star Wars and other things. No wait to get in, and we are on our way. Yeah, it's still busy over here at Toy Story Land. Let's go take a look. Right over here next to Joffrey's Coffee, well, there used to be the Pixar Studio sign. It's gone. And we have work walls up, and that means you can no longer get back here. So yeah, foreseeable future, not gonna happen. Oh hey, look, a gap in the work walls. For now. The last time we were here, well, they had a giant stage up, and this looks so much better now without that here. And the sunset, also gorgeous. And right over here, you can also get a photo opportunity with Woody and Jesse. Oh, and Buzz Lightyear also. But expect a line because it's going way back there. We also have Green Army Men. Story Mania, currently a 55-minute wait, not too terrible. From time to time when they rotate everybody, Woody and Jesse are going to be right over here in front of Midway Games. Alright, let's cut to the chase. Let's get to the real reason why we're here. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Let's get a really good look. Of course, Buzz Lightyear is keeping watch over everything going on here at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, and we can see a lot of rock work and theming going on right now, and it looks really amazing. Pictures and video are not going to do this justice because this thing is massive. Another view of the area, and we can see right here what looks to be, what is this, a floating mountain Avatar. But yeah, they have some of the forms just like what we saw at Avatar right there. But look at all this, just look at all the steel work and theming going on. Absolutely nuts.
Buzz Lightyear mission. Observing base.
Swirling saucers, currently a 35-minute standby, which, considering this is a brand new area, not bad. Sling Slinky Dog Dash. Also a 55-minute standby, and again, for a brand new area, that is not terrible.
Here we go. Here we go. Toys in the backyard? Welcome. I'd love to come down and shake your hands.
Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Well, there's not a whole lot of progress that we can see because, well, everything is indoors. But if you watch one of our recent videos from a press conference from Disney, you can learn a little bit more about the ride and what's to come. Then we see this giant crane in the air, and it's going to be there for just a little bit longer because there's a lot of work left to do for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. And of course, we will bring you coverage as it happens. This, of course, is going to be the main entrance to all the fun, and it's going to happen fall of 2019. And hello, giant crane again. We're a little bit closer, but nothing else to really see with Star Wars. That's going to do it, at least for here. The sun has gone down and the temperatures are much better, and that means it is time for some rides. Let's do Star Tours, which only has a 5-minute standby.
Your credits there for local currency. Thank you.
That's awesome. Stand by for systems check. Shut them down before you blow up the
Yeah,
whole
it is
place.
definitely not too busy in here right now. Kind of rare to see it like this.
Well, what have we here? I'm sorry, no droids are allowed in this launch. What?
Again, this is really kind of weird. And the park is still open. I mean, it's open for another hour at least.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Ta-da! We're going to indoor, right? So the time is currently 9:30, and that means we have an hour left before the park closes, and nobody is here. I don't know if they either left or they're all over at Toy Story Land. Well, it's about 10:15 at night. Park closes at 10:30, and it says 55 minutes for Slinky Dog Dash. But we're gonna get in line and see how long it actually is. So it's literally been 15 minutes, and we're about to get on right now.
In this backyard? And gosh darn it, let's go.
why, now that the park is closed, it's still really, really empty. I mean, these midways really don't have many people at all in them. Well guys, that is going to do it for another Disney's Hollywood Studios video, and I do want to apologize for how long it's been in between all the Galaxy's Edge updates, but I promise you, we will have many more coming from here very soon, as there's been a lot of changes, and everything is really looking good. A lot of theming elements are starting to go in. I'm really excited for the area. Of course, Toy Story Land is looking very good. Not as busy as, say, like opening day, but we will have more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.